45, yeah, I'm alive. What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of?
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl I love Hollysbeautypro. So if you're a new viewer or you're a new subscriber, hi, my name is Ayo Ola. So today I'm just gonna move straight into the gele, and I'm tying the center knot gele, and I'm using the fabric, which is the actual fabric, and also the ratio of this gele is 70-30. So we're just gonna move straight into it, and we are folding the first inches of our gele before creating our base pleat. And I'm gonna be creating 4 base pleats here on this gele. This gele, it's the material is just like a net material, although it's thick and it's very firm, and it's also very big. It's also very big. So I'm going to lay down my pleats like this, make it smooth before continuing my gele process, because it is very important you lay down your gele very flat before you proceed, because this helps you to have a very beautiful settings of your gele. I hope I'm right, guys. So I'm just gonna take this to the back of the neck, and I'm just going to lay it flat like that and take it to the back of the neck like so. And I'm also gonna do the next the other side of the gele too, like that. Just like that. And she's gonna hold it down for me, and I'm gonna lay the other side of the gele too, like that. So watch, guys.
As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. We got there forever and never. What are you made of? Get I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me, you got there for me. So what are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of?
So guys, you want to make sure your hair is neatly tied up in a donut round shape before proceeding with your gele. So this is the first thing I'm supposed to do, so I forgot and I skipped that. So we're just gonna move on and cross our gele at the back like this, and I am crossing. Remember, the shorter end goes under while the longer end stays up. So these are the procedures, or let me say the rules of gele, which if you remember and do them properly, just like its rule says, I'm sure you're gonna come out with the beautiful look of gele. Ayala says so. You're gonna come out with a beautiful look of gele. So just remember the rules and keep in mind to just do it like that. So the longer hand stays up while the shorter hand goes under. So I'm gonna come up with the first hand, which is the shorter hand, and that is the 30. You remember our ratio is 70-30, so the shorter hand should be the 30. So like so, I'm gonna create another pleat on that.
What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? 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 What are you made of, girl? 45, yeah, I'm alive. What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of?
So I just create up to 4 to 5 pleats on that, and I'm just gonna leave for my client to hold for me, and I'm gonna move into the next end, which is the longer end, and I'm also gonna create or do the same thing on the other end, like so.
As long as say you there, we got there, okay. We got there forever and never. What are you made of? Get I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you there, we got there, okay. You got there for me, you got there for me. So, what are you made of? What are you made of?
Yeah, so like so we want to make sure everything are joining at the center of the face. Is it the face? At the center of the forehead, I don't know. So you just want that to be at the middle, the two ends you meet at the middle. So that's what I'm trying to say. And I'm going to be knotting my gele from that middle. So I'm sorry this camera is not showing up from above. That was a mistake I made. But I tried to show you guys what I was doing. So like that, I'm just gonna pick. I'm not taking it from the middle now, so I'm just gonna take from the tip of the gele, yeah, just like that, and I'm gonna plait that down to that point, yeah, to hold it. So I'm just taking that little part, like I'm not dividing it from the middle, so as we're not gonna have a very big knot to tie, and maybe our hand will not be able to tie that. So I'm repeating the same process on the second hand also. So I'm just gonna tie my gele. Guys, this gele is very strong. Let me say it's strong because it's still very new gele, so it's still strong, but I try to bend it. I cannot come and die. So I shall know I'm going to knot this anyhow anyway. Yeah.
What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of?
So while tying, you have to be very careful so you won't go back to 0 point. Maybe you have to start the gele all over again. So you have to be careful and watchful while tying your knot. And it also have to be firm. So I was asking the client if the gele is firm, and she said yes, so I had to leave it like that. So now I'm gonna be wrapping that knot into each other. So guys, watch me. I don't know how to explain this, like I don't know how to explain how I'm gonna do this, but just watch. I'm sure you're gonna understand how I'm doing that. So the two hand, like the two knots, I'm trying to fold them into each other. Oh gosh, this camera. But guys, I hope you can see like that. You see the way I try to fold them into each other? Yeah, just like that. And I'm going to secure them so it won't loosen. Yeah, just like that. I'm going to secure it again with the pin to make it firm.
What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? As long as say you there, we got there, okay. You got there for me. As long as say you there.
Next, we are going to pleat the rest of the gele. Yeah, so we could get our center knot gele. So we're talking about. So I'm just trying to secure that place, and I'm just trying to make it firm with my pin. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm still going to show you how to pin down your gele, like how to secure your gele with your pin, making it very firm. So you can see it's so firm like that. So I'm just going to continue with my pleat on that, and just like so. I'm not creating fan gele, guys, watch me. You see, I try to make the pleats equal, so like so. So you have to set your pleats very well, no matter what. Gele is not something you can rush to do. You have to be patient when tying your gele.
What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of?
So guys, just watch what I'm doing. I don't know how to explain this. So I'm just, after pleating, I took the leftover on top of the knot I did just to secure it there with my pin. So guys, just watch me, just watch.
What are you made of? Get I love you more than you know it, more than you feel it, more than you love me too, I know. As long as say you there, we got there, okay. You got there for me, you got there for me. So, what are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? 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 What are you made of, girl? 45, you're my life. What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of?
So guys, I'm just gonna repeat the same process here also on the other hand of the gele, just like that. Yeah, I noticed my other hand of the gele, the one I secured with the pin, just removed. So I'm gonna do that again, and I want to show you how I secure my gele with my pin. So you just take a little from the top fabric and push inside under the next one you are guys, I don't know how to explain. Oh god, I just took from the top fabric a little bit, then I pushed inside the other one, like the knot I wanted to secure it, and I push in straight. I bend it and I push in straight. I hope you understand, guys. If you don't understand, please go back and watch that again. So now our gele is firm, and I'm just repeating the same process on the other hand. So we're just repeating the same process on the other hand, like so.
What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? As long as say you there, we got there, okay. You got there for me. As long as say you there, we got there, okay. We
So what I'm trying to do now is taking it to the back of the shutter and pleat I made, just like that. Yeah, can you see it? I don't know why I'm covering the camera for crying out loud. God, guys, please pardon me, I'm so sorry. So just like so, I hope you understand. Then I'm just going to secure it. Yeah, so I'm going to secure it with my pin, sorry, just to make it firm.
What are you made of, girl? 45, you're my life. What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? As long as say you did, we got there, okay. You got there for me. As long as say you did, we got there, okay. We got there forever.
So this is the back of the gele. I'm just trying to arrange it. I'm trying to arrange the back so it will look more beautiful. And I'm trying to trace the pleats from the front just to make it set. Like, you understand what I mean? Like, I just want to make it set, make it look beautiful at the back, so it won't just be looking beautiful from the front. The back also tells. So like I said, you have to be patient. Try to wrap it from the back, make it neat, and you secure with your pin, like so. So I'm going to come back to arrange everything and make it look real. Try to arrange my pleats, arrange the gele very well so it will look well. So we're gonna come back for our final look, guys.
What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of? As long as say you did, we got there.
So this is what we are looking like. Yeah, this is what our gele is looking like, sorry. Yeah, this is our center knot gele, and this is the back view of our gele. I hope you like this video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Like, share, and comment, guys. Comment below what you want my next video to be about, and I promise I'll be there for you. Love you guys. Bye.
What are you made of? What are you made of?